Operationally intensive companies have entered a new wave of automation and digitization. This is likely to have a big impact on the skills they need to remain competitive. Manufacturing industry is likely to experience a magnitude of change greater than the global average because the predictable and repetitive nature of many operational tasks makes them particularly suitable for automation or digitization. This, of course, makes the jobs of HR leaders more difficult when it comes to retaining employees. In Saudi Arabia, this is an even larger challenge as the labor laws evolve and allow freedom of talent movement across organizations. Are you confident that you have the people with the right skills to develop, manage, and maintain your digital processes and to do the jobs that machines cannot? Do you have the right policies, processes, and platforms which empower your workforce to develop skills needed to innovate? Let's have a discussion. I'm Shamil Ahmed, and I'm one of the HR Strategy Transformation Directors for the Middle East, Africa, and Eastern Central Europe. I look forward to hearing from you.